Welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we discuss what is meant by testing of hypothesis, null versus alternate. Okay. So what is meant by testing of hypothesis is a procedure for deciding whether the given is accepted or rejected a null hypothesis. It is called testing of hypothesis. Okay. So which means they give any statement whether we are going to accept or reject the given statement. It is called testing of hypothesis. So here there are two different testing of hypothesis. We have one null hypothesis, another one is alternate hypothesis. Okay, so let us see null hypothesis. So null hypothesis is nothing but it is based on analyzing the given problem. There is no significant difference between the value and the expected value, and it is denoted by h naught. Okay, let us see what is meant by alternate hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis is nothing but any hypothesis which is complementary to the null hypothesis statement is called alternate hypothesis, and it is denoted by h. For example, statement today is Friday. Okay, so alternate hypothesis today is not Friday, so that is called alternate hypothesis. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.